Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy text from image in laptop. So if you have any image that contains text and you want to extract the text from those image or from that image, then I'm going to show you how to do it. And I have an example here of a thumbnail for a video that I'm currently working on, and I'm going to show you it. So as you can see, this thumbnail contains images and text, and I want to extract the text from this image. So, and the good thing about this is that you don't need any third-party application to do this. You just need your internet browser and internet in order to do this. So if by watching this tutorial you'll find value within this video, guys, I'd really appreciate if you take the moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button if you're seeing the channel for the first time. So how do you do this, guys? You want to open up your browser and you want to head over to google.com. As you can see, I'm already at google.com, but I'm going to simple type it in, go to google.com so that you can see. Now, inside the search at google.com, you will see the option that says search by voice or search by image. And that's it, guys. You want to click on this search by image and upload your image, right? So I'm going to select my image of the thumbnail there, click on open, and as you can see, it opens up by that. Now what you want to do from here, as you can see, it automatically is selecting the image. You want to switch this to text, and this is going to find the text in this image. You can easily go ahead and select a part of the text by simply clicking on the text on your computer, and you can simply either click copy, or if you want to copy all of the text, just simply click on any area on the thumbnail that does not contain the text and just click select all. Now this is going to select all of the text, and then you can simply go ahead and click Ctrl C on your keyboard. So this will copy all of the text from the thumbnail. Now you want to go ahead and open up, for example, your notepad. Now once you open up notepad, guys, all you have to do is press Ctrl V. Now, as you can see, it copies the text there. Now, the 88 is nothing there. Now, as you can see, it copies the entire text from the thumbnail. And you might be wondering, where does this text stored? This is stored in your clipboard. So by default, when you copy a text, it automatically stored in your clipboard, and you can easily go ahead and access your clipboard whenever you want. Now, if you don't know how to actually access your clipboard, so all you have to do is just simply press the Windows key on your keyboard plus V, and that's going to open up your clipboard. And as you can see, my clipboard open, and you can see that it also copies the text there. So this is how you can easily go ahead and find your clipboard. So whatever you copied, it automatically gets stored in your clipboard, and you can see all of those data that you copied to your clipboard if you press Windows plus V on your keyboard. So guys, that's basically how to copy text from image in your laptop, absolutely free, require no third-party application, and you can easily copy text from any image as you wish whenever you want. Hope you find value here, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.